Kusangana watu tazvekare mune Zimbabwe pano paZest News pano pachange tichimhanya news updates ezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana zvichange zvichiitika muno munyika yedu Zimbabwe kunyanya zvichipisa mumastreets esocial media mune Zimbabwe. Ndine nyaya ndakakubatirai nekukurumbidza zvichatongoitika izvi. Tina CM Henry Mutasa ava vari kupromisa kuti ndoda kuti apresident mune Zimbabwe panyaya dzakadai sekuziva kwamunongoitawo hatina zvatokwanisa kuwedzera kana kubvisa, tinongokupai sezvazviri. Mune Zimbabwe da kuti munhu CM Mutasa vachizvitaurira zvinhu zvavakupromisa vachitaura vega mune Zimbabwe. Da kuti muzvinzwire mega ukutaura zvinofunga mucomment section below. Please don't forget to share this news update nevadikani kuti vaonewo chiitiko ichi mune Zimbabwe. Don't forget to like. We need your support. Without you we are nothing. Mune Zimbabwe, enjoy this video and please don't forget to share. Much love.
I'm Henry Mutasa, the President and First Secretary of Kambizi Party. Vote for me to be the Zimbabwean President so that I do the following. Number 1, fight corruption. Number 2, jobs for everybody. Number 3, minimum salary of $600. Number 4, there will be a mining structure, shareholding as follows: 30% for the investor, 25% Zimbabwe Sovereign Fund, 25% for sponsorships for university students, high school students, salaries of lecturers, civil servants and security sector, and then the other 20% will be for Zimra. Then there you are. Thank you very much.
Okay,
atinonyora maexams. Why? Atina malecturers, atina mareading materials, atina macourse outline, atina course week, atina assignments atakanyora. But the administration of Professor Paul Mafumo and Registrar Dr. Mnyarazi Madambi are trying to act as if everything is normal, of which nothing is normal. It cannot be business as usual at the University of Zimbabwe until Tanema lecturers are not some lecture. Head block atinonyora maexams. Why? Atina lecturers, atina reading materials, atina course outline, atina course week, atina assignments atakanyora. But the administration of Professor Paul Mafumo and Registrar Dr. Mnyarazi Madambi are trying to act as if everything is normal, of which nothing is normal. It cannot be business as usual at the University of Zimbabwe until Tanema lecturers are not in these summer lecture rooms. So the students are saying we need our lecturers back, bring back our lecturers, and the solution is very simple: pay our lecturers, compensate them fairly, pay them decent salaries, decent wages. Thank you.
Already.